Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. In this box I have a really new and exciting product for your barbecue. And this again is from DAREBUILT, and they are Canada's #1 maker of pizza steels. So those are little pieces of steel that go into your oven that take the place of a pizza stone. They will last a lifetime and they never break. And the heat retention is much better on a pizza steel versus a pizza stone. So you need to check them out if you do any sort of pizza making at home. Well, I'm very excited to see what's in here. I've seen this on their website, but I haven't seen it in person. There we go. And as usual, you get some instructions here. Flat iron barbecue griddle by DAREBUILT with your instructions. So that's nice. They supply that with all of their products. So let's get into this. Oh, this is going to be exciting. So this unit is 16 inches by 16 inches square. We'll just get that out. There we go. Look at that. That is really heavy. That is nice. So let's open this up. So the first thing you're going to want to do when you get this onto your grill is you're going to need to season it. First thing you're going to notice, very thick steel on here, and it is very heavy, so it's super well made. So what you're going to notice here is that there is a lip right here. So when you are on your barbecue, when you're making anything that has a lot of oil, it's not going to drip down into your barbecue. So you've got a raised lip here, and then it's sealed all the way around. And then it has two convenient little handles here where you could just lift it right off. You could take it to your sink if you wish. You can wash it down there. Really nice piece of barbecue equipment here. So now I want to show you what the griddle looks like on a typical size barbecue. So you can see that we have a little bit of airflow in the front and on the left and the right, and a little bit in the rear to allow heat to come up around into the dome of the barbecue. So just another view, you can see the airflow here, left, right, and the rear, and you can see there's plenty of room to do some amazing foods on this new product by DAREBUILT. I'm going to put a link to this griddle down underneath this video in the description box. And then we have one preparation step, and that is to season the griddle, and I'll show you how to do that right now. The first step to season your brand new griddle is to start all of your burners, and you want to make sure that your griddle is piping hot. So I'm going to start up my barbecue and I'll do that step. So now my barbecue has been going about 10 minutes and we are above 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and I can see lots of smoke now starting to appear, so I know that I'm ready to season. So I'm going to open this up, and right away you can see some discoloration happening. So we know that this is ready to be seasoned. So the best way to do this is with some tongs. Take a piece of paper towel, and you basically want to kind of grab it on the ends and flatten that out a little bit so that you have, an area to push. And now I've got crows up in the sky. So I'm just going to take some of this and get this on here. And then you just want to start moving it around. If you're quick, get it on and start moving it around. And the secret to this is you don't want to put on thick layers, small layers. very thin layers. So just get that on and right away start moving that around. So what this is going to do, it's going to help with turning this into a non-stick area. Things are going to slide off it much more easily. I want to get everything all the way down. If you want to do the sides, you can do that as well. Get some again, grab it, get it up on the sides, along the front. Hopefully I'm on camera that you can see that. Yes, all the way along here is good. I'm going to get a little bit more here. Oh, and that barbecue is very, very hot now, all the way along. So you can see nothing magical about this. And if you do a really good job, you're basically ready to go. You can do this a few times if you want. I'm just going to remove that. That's very hot. I'm going to flip it over. So I've just folded it inside out. We'll just get a little bit more on here. Just move it around. And that's it. There's really no magic to this. And once you start using this with foods that contain any type of oil, you know, from fat, you're going to be actually seasoning the grill as you use it. So I think that's pretty good. That looks good. And that is it. So basically, we're done. So I'm just going to turn everything off. That barbecue is extremely hot, and I'm just going to close it. I'm just going to let it now cool down on its own. I'll just close it down, and that's it. So I'm going to end this video here, and in the near future, I will be doing some food on here, and I will also do a video on that. So thank you very, very much for watching. If you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. And if you're on Facebook, you can check me out there at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. I'll put a link to DAREBUILT's brand new barbecue griddle down in the description box underneath this video. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. One last peek? Sure. Oh, it looks good. That is going to be fun to use. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.